How to fix CapCut template not showing on TikTok. To start, open your TikTok application in your mobile device. Once on TikTok, tap on the magnifying icon on the upper right, and then on the search bar, look for CapCut templates. Tap on it. Here, you will see a wide variation of CapCut templates available on TikTok. Open one for the meantime. And then in here on the left corner, tap on Use this CapCut template. In here, tap on Open CapCut. If it's not working, head into your profile on the bottom right. Tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper right and then go to Settings and Privacy. On Settings and Privacy, scroll down and click on Report a Problem. Over at Report a Problem, scroll down and then click on Submit a Report in the bottom corner of the screen. In here, you will need to tell TikTok about your problem. Go ahead, take your time in typing. You could also wait for me to finish typing and then you could copy what I'm writing here on my screen. Once done, click on Submit. Then wait for TikTok to get back to you. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.